Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about naming convention in Java. Naming convention decides what to name your identifier such as variable, methods, class, interface, package, constants, etc. It is a convention, not a rule, so it is not restricted to follow. Naming conventions will increase the readability of your code and make it easier to maintain and use for other programmers. First, I am taking the variable as a naming convention. Look here, I am declaring or creating a class student and declaring two variables, student name and student age as two variables, and variable name should start with lowercase letter, and if the variable name contain two words, then the first letter of the second word should be in capital. Look here, student name and second word is name and the first letter is N and N is in capital letter. It is a conventions. Next, method. Look here, I am creating a class car and creating a method change gear, and method name should start with lowercase letter, and if the method contain two words, then the first letter of the second word should be in capital, and method name should be a verb always. Next is the class. Look here, I am creating a class card, and the class name should start with capital letter. Look here, car, the first letter of this word C is in capital, and this is the naming conventions for the class name. And class always should be a noun. Next is package. Package should be in lowercase letter, and interface. Look here, I am creating an interface, and my interface name as a runnable, and interface name start with capital letter, and look here, runnable, and R is in capital letter, and interface should be always adjective. Next is constants. Constants should be in capital letter or uppercase letter always. Look here, this is a constant pi, and the pi is in capital or uppercase letter, and this is the naming conventions in Java that make the code more readable and maintainable. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.